Today, guys, we are opening the Elite Crate in Defend Your Base from Brainrot. I just completed the Endless. I got 51 million. Plus, I'm giving away a Dragon Launcher and one Tesla plus a Black Hole Generator. Like and subscribe if you want those. Now, let's get started. I will roll this crate. I hope I get Tesla, a hacker, and a black hole generator. Okay, let's start. Yes, a Tesla. Oh my god. What the frick is my luck? Oh my god, that document. Oh, my luck became bad after that. Why am I lagging? I'm just rolling, man. Oh my bro, why am I getting... It's gonna be a long rolling or gambling, I said. Bro, what the hell? Why am I getting oil drills? I don't need it. Yes, a dragon launcher. Yes. I'll be giving away 10 dragon launchers, 2 black hole generators, and 1 Tesla. Just like and subscribe so you can get that. And comment your username. Okay. No, bro! Oh, what the hell, man? Okay. Bro, no. Bro. Oh my god, man, I'm gonna be broke after this. Okay. No dragon launcher or something? Bro, I mean it's 2%. I'm freaking lagging. My internet is freaking dookie. Okay. Bro, hell naman. Bro, why am I so unlucky? Yes, I got some. I don't know what that is, but it's something. Okay. Oh no, bro. Yes, a black hole generator. Yes. Oh my god, another one. Another dragon launcher. No way. W luck. Comment W luck. Oh my freak. Oh bro, 14 million already. Nah. Oh my. Yes. No. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. No. Oh my. Yes. No way, man. Another one. Yes. Oh my god. 2.7. I think. Yeah. 2.7. Oh my god, man. That's so freaking. Oh my god. I'm so big. Remember, guys. I will be giving 10 dragon launchers. 3. I think 3 or 2. I don't know. It was. Oh yes. Another one. I think it's 2, right? I said. Yeah. 2. Oh my god, no more money. 2 black hole generator. This is my inventory now. Oh my god. 2 of these, 10 of the Dragon Launcher, and 1 Tesla. Comment